Hi, I'm James from Purple Office. Welcome. We're going to give you a tour today. Coming up to the front door, we've got our sign-up information and contact information at the front door here in case you get stuck gaining access. But we're going to start by signing into our online booking app on purpleoffice.co.uk/app. And I'm going to start by coming up to the door and starting a session on the phone. And straight away I'm going to be asked to open the front door or the rear door. I'll tap to open the front door and in we go. Welcome, come on through. So this is our new co-working office and meeting room space in Poundbury. We've got a range of seating areas and I'm going to take you around the room straight away now. So let's go. Straight off we've got the meeting room. Come on through. We've got our 8-person meeting room here with TV screen and connections for your laptop, wireless screencasting to the screen as well. So this is a great space for interviews, private meetings, HR, that kind of thing. Close up there. Take you through to the Zoom rooms at the back of the office. So if you've got a slightly more private call to make, or you just need a bit of personal private space to get on and focus with your work, we've got 2 Zoom rooms here. One of them we've got Portland Bill, and the other one Puddlesdown Forest. And these are just really nice spaces to get some quiet work done, make a few quiet phone calls away from the main shared office space. You come back into the main office, we've got our breakfast island, seats 8, we've got 2 low seats for accessibility. The whole office is fully wheelchair accessible, and we've got 6 seats up high on the bar. We also got our fully fitted kitchen. We've got our microwave oven if you need to warm your food through, or if you have an evening event here and you can do some catering, you can warm the food through on that. We've got our teas, we've got a mixture of clipper teas, all different ones, decaf, fruit teas, etc. We've got all of our mugs and glasses up here, so you don't have to bring anything with you, it's all here. We've got plates and bowls for breakfast and lunch. We've got an espresso coffee maker, so you can make yourself a really nice coffee here, and the milk frother does different types of milk for latte, cappuccino, flat whites, and we've got a whole mix of espresso pods here, different flavours, different strengths, and we also do decaf as well. We've got cutlery and various bits and pieces that you need for making your tea and coffee and your food. We've also got our boiling water tap, so if you're making tea, we don't have a kettle on the top here, we've got instant boiling water on tap. You just push twice on there and twist it around. And that's instant boiling water whenever you want it for your tea. There's instructions at the back here, and on any of the equipment in the office we've got QR codes throughout which will tell you how to use any particular item of the office that you need to know how to use if you're not sure. And that will give you a little online video. So we've done our breakfast island, we've done the kitchen. Coming around to the booths and the corner seats, so we've got some coffee shop style seating here, which is nice if you've got an informal meeting maybe, or you're just working with a colleague for the day but nothing too private, too confidential. We've also got 4-person booth seats, one on this side, and we've got one around the other side as well. And these are great for project meetings, team meetings, departmental meetings. If you just want to get 3 or 4 people together in a group and do some work, you can make some calls in these. You know, they help to just contain the sound a little bit. If you want to make some phone calls, that's absolutely fine. More traditionally, we've got our desks here. Just taking a view around the booth. So we've got our 4 desk runs here with our Durdle door mural. We're down in Dorset after all, so a bit of scenery in the place. Got a nice light workspace here, comfortable office chairs, reclining office chairs. So you've got everything you need here. We've got power at every desk station. We've got USB charging sockets, everything that you need. Over in the corner here we've got our printer. Printing is included, there's no limit on that apart from fair use policy. Colour, black and white, A4, A3. And we've also got scanner with scan to email, and that's all included in your hourly fee. That's all the printer. We've got the loo at the back. I'll just take you through here, because it is pretty cool. There's our loo, accessible toilet, beautiful wallpaper, and we've got really nice toiletries in there, so that's really nice space while you're here in the office. And I think that's all the seating areas covered. Yeah, so you can sit anywhere you like. I'll take you around to the board actually, because we have a reservation system. So you might find on the app, if you're signed in and you come up, you can just walk up to the door and start a session anytime you want. But you can also book a specific seat if you want to. So if quickly take you around here to the screen, you can see at the moment we've got two areas blocked out in red. That's the, just refreshing actually, wait for that to come up. So we've got the meeting room in the booth currently reserved. So if you come in as a walk-in and you don't have a booking already, you can sit anywhere that's green and you can be pretty sure that at the moment at least nobody's got that reserved and you can sit there for the rest of the day. So yes, that's the whole of Purple Office. If you need anything, you can look on our website, purpleoffice.co.uk. Our app is purpleoffice.co.uk/app. You can sign up, you can book ahead, you can book the meeting room on there, and you can manage your account and all your bookings directly. But if you need any help, you can contact us through the website. Cool, hope to see you soon. Thanks.